Hello, my beautiful friends. Today, I'll show you how to use sweet bell pepper for powerful anti-aging and brightening face masks. Sweet pepper is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural enzymes that help smooth wrinkles, boost collagen, and give your skin a radiant glow. Subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Just remove the seeds and blend the pepper into a smooth paste. We'll use freshly blended sweet bell pepper for all recipes. First recipe, radiant and toned skin. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of blended sweet pepper, ½ teaspoon of rice flour, ½ teaspoon of avocado oil, Benefits: this mask tones the skin, improves texture, and provides deep nourishment. How to use: apply to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Massage gently for a minute. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments and tell us where you're watching from. Second recipe, glow and hydration. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of sweet pepper, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, ½ teaspoon of honey, Benefits: this combination hydrates, brightens, and adds a healthy glow to tired skin. How to use: apply a generous layer to your clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then finish with a cool splash. Apply moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you liked this recipe, like the video, leave a comment and share it with a friend. Third recipe, nourishing and softening. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of sweet pepper, a small piece of ripe banana, Mash the banana well. A few drops of vitamin E. Mix well. Benefits: this mask helps soften dry skin, smooth out fine lines, and restore radiance. How to use: apply to clean skin, including face, neck, chest and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, pat dry and apply cream. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Fourth recipe: collagen, boost and firming. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of sweet pepper, ½ teaspoon of collagen powder, one teaspoon of milk. Benefits: this powerful mask supports collagen production and improves skin elasticity. How to use: apply evenly to clean face, neck, chest and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Pat dry and moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe. More glow-boosting masks are coming soon. Fifth recipe: smoothing and repairing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of sweet pepper, a few drops of castor oil. Benefits: this recipe helps regenerate the skin, reduce signs of fatigue, and smooth fine lines. How to use: apply gently to clean skin, face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave on for 15 minutes. Rinse well and finish with a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Sixth recipe: clarifying and brightening. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of sweet pepper, ½ teaspoon of neem powder. Mix into a smooth paste. Benefits: this mask clarifies the skin, reduces breakouts and evens out skin tone. How to use: apply a thin layer to your clean face, neck, chest and hands. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and apply cream. Use once or twice a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.